Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop. Roblox is a very popular online gaming platform where you can play millions of free D games and even create your own games. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple methods to download and install Roblox on your system. So let's get started. So, for the first method, open your browser, Chrome or Edge, and in the browser address bar, type roblox.com. Then press enter. This will take you to the Roblox website. If you don't have an account, you can sign up here. But if you already have one, just log in. After logging in, you'll land on the Roblox homepage. From here, you can click on any game you like. On the right hand side, you'll see a blue play button icon. Just click on it. Roblox will start loading, and after a moment, you will see download Roblox to play millions of experiences. Click on the download Roblox button and the file will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. It will automatically install Roblox Player and Roblox Studio on your system. After the installation is complete, you will see Roblox login screen, so you need to sign in again. Just log in with your account. Then you'll be able to go back to the game you selected earlier. Click the blue play button again, and after a few moments, the game will start running. And that's it. Super easy to download and play Roblox on your PC. Now for the second method, you can install Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Just go to Windows Search, type Microsoft Store, and open it. In the store, search for Roblox, and then click the Install button. In my case, it's already installed, so I won't install it again, but both methods will work fine and install Roblox in your PC. And that's how you can download and play Roblox on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.